Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. We're going to delve into the world of PUF chips, short for physically unclonable function, and its application in the semiconductor manufacturing process. PUF utilizes random variables during the semiconductor manufacturing process, imbuing chips with uniqueness and non-replicability, often referred to as chip fingerprints. It facilitates both public and private keys required by the system. In a zero-trust architecture, for PUF to acquire certificate permissions, it must present its own public key through the original design manufacturer ODM to the certificate authority CA. We can see on the screen the illustration of the registration code process. Upon receiving the registration request, the CA authenticates the identity of the PUF chip and, through the ODM, sends the certificate to the PUF. On the screen, we can see the illustration of the certificate transmission code process. After a successful certificate transmission, the PUF possesses the authorized certificate to continue functioning. Thank you for watching today's video. We hope you have gained a deeper understanding of how PUF chips work.